Hi, we're back on our grand adventure today, and you haven't realized I need to get stronger. I got this and this the other day. That's about it. Cool thing about this is I basically have infinite mana as long as I'm not poor. But I've been wearing this armor since the beginning. Sure, it gives me a lot more mana than the other armor I've been seeing, or it gives me a lot more, mana than the other armor. But considering basically infinite mana, I don't really need to worry about how much mana I can use. So, let's try making some orichalcum armor. At least to start off with. I don't know, that does significantly better actually. Yeah. Shove the armor in here, I guess. Also, real quick. Alright. I need to save that for even better armor. But try to get upgraded as much as possible today. And at least try getting some wings. Whee! In order to get wings, I need a lot of souls. Keep dropping. Should have been doing a lot of upgrading last episode, but focus on today is upgrade. Tweety's with us. Perfect. Let it rain. Let it pour. Damn. Oh. Ow! I can cut. Hey, get down! some dark. Let's say Dark Souls. Wrong game. Souls of Night. I just saw speech bubble. That one just died. Take that. I love how this just bounces off of everything. And it lights up everything too. I need to hollow out this place so it's a lot easier to get this stuff. And this all would fly straight towards me. Come on. Well, that works. Fire away! Burn to cinders! Ow. Okay. Let's see here. After a quick journey, what all can I make? Souls of Night. Shadow Key. What does a Shadow Key do? In the bottle. It's just decoration. Cold Whip. Blaster. Spirit Flame. Okay, I saw a harp. Demon Wings. I need those. Got that. Golden Flame. How do you get these? It doesn't really matter. It's weaker right now. Mecha skull, mecha worm, mecha worm. Okay. Wings. Souls of flight. Also feathers. Considering souls of flight, I'm pretty sure I have to kill some harpies, right? Makes sense. What do I do with their feathers? Oh boy. Here. There they are. Souls of night, souls of flight, and feathers. Go up. Go up. There you go. Let's find some harpies. Oh, it doesn't bounce. Oh, it's a dragon. That's probably what I get the souls from. Is it? Yep, there we go. Dragons. Any more dragons? There's a ship in the background right there. More feathers. Oh, it's all corrupted. How did the Sky Island get corrupted? Doesn't make any sense. Oh, it died up here. Wyvern kite. Birds. It's looking like only the dragons drop them. We're gonna be really nice to get some wings so I go higher. Oh, I thought I was about to die. Pretty sure wings also negate fall damage. Gold. 2 gold. More mana for me. Do I have purification powder on me? I believe I had some before. Oh, I got 20. I think that's all I need, actually. Where'd he go? He's out here. Crafting. Oh, perfect. 20 exactly. Ooh, I get extra movement speed as well. Okay. I feel like we can take the same bottle. Head in the clouds. Whee! Oh, I like nice movement. I'm gonna go fly with my dragon. Whee! And I hold it like this. Perfect. That's cool. Whee! And pretty sure I don't take fall damage anymore. This is gonna be cool. Alright. Now, yeah, my wings get me all the way up here. Now I don't use my boots abilities. No big deal. Alright. Armor. A lot of this, I think. Just had some cobalt ore. Gotta do that. Here it is. What's this? At least make cobalt armor. Is more defense. Might as well get the full suit effect. Oh, cactus armor for the past, I believe, 7 episodes. Uses less mana. Used by 40, increased magic damage. Kill hit chance. Alright, that's awesome. And I'm even faster. What's up, cool dude? Yeah. I got some armor. I need the forbidden... What are we called? Forbidden... or something? This stuff. Oh, that's hellstone. Mana, increases movement speed, melee ranged, melee, forbidden friend. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna go with the adamantite. Probably be better because this one just increases damage a lot. Alright. My summons are like only do 1 damage each, so it's not really gonna be that helpful. Speaking of summons, sentries. I think once I enter hard mode, he gets stronger ones for me, right? What do I need to do a thing for him? Another one of these. You take those. Save that real quick. It's nice just being able to fly all the way up here. No problem. Dump, 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 dump. Get that one on me. Kite away. What does a key do? I'm gonna do something with chests. If I put one in here. Oh! Oh yeah. That would be right. does do something with the chest. Forgot about this. Not damn miser, the wizard's been slain. No. Down here, big boy. Yeah. Come on, Mike. Mike the Mimic. Oh, he just stopped. I was confused. Not the painter. Ow. There we go. Ooh, what do we get? We got major health potions. Take those. And then this. The kin staff summons a wall of flame. I thought the squirrel was gonna walk into it. Oh, come on. Ooh. That's awesome. There's X. This wall of flame uses 31 mana. Only summons one. Let me try doing that with this. Great to be able to just throw down a giant wall. That'd be nice. What? Picked up a paintball gun. The godly paintball gun. Is it because the painter just died? He dropped the paintball gun? Not bad at all. I'm always up for a good paintball match. Alright. It's left on the wall there. Death circle. Firewall works well here. Give ourselves a death circle down here. Alright, and then drop the firewall. Yeah. Yeah, this firewall is pretty effective. One more of these, about here, do with every low level enemy. Perfect. And that's one of those right there. There we go. Hopefully get some stronger summons by doing this. Awesome. Perfect. Got some pea shooters. I don't have to worry that much about the actual enemies themselves. Yeah, we can place one right here. Here. Place. Where can I place it? There we go. Right on ourselves with that. Should only really have to deal with one side now. One of these circles right above it. Damn. Throw one more right here. That's allowed. Apparently not. Yep, there's 3 on this side. 3 on this side. It's shorter on that side, apparently. Right there. Fine. And widen to dark edges. Jeez, it's shredding through them. They're only spawning on this side, aren't they? Uh-oh. Run into it. So it dropped something. Sweet. Ourselves another war table. Throw that right here so I don't forget to use it. One here. Increases the max number of sentries. Okay. More sentries. More sentries. More sentries. Place a bunch of these. Not sure if these give me any bonuses here, but pet dragon, or do we want an imp? Okay. Let's... I can make some adamantite armor. Get all strong and beefy. 18 for legs. I have 32. 12. Jeez. Helmet and leggings. That's what I can make right now. Helmet and leggings. Smart of a die. I should probably make a few more chests. Bit too many. Should have a chest inside of a chest inside of another chest. Then there, those, it. Try to figure out how to get black dye to make that look cool. Alrighty. I need just a smidge more adamantite. Here. Oh, that's good. Yo-yo glove. Counterweight. Bone arrows. Torches. Blunker. Yeah, give me one of these. 20 of these. See how these work. Oh, that's cool. Ah, sweet. Right. I'm gonna do that. What does it look like when I... Yeah, same thing. Ouch. Just need a small smidgen of adamantite. Oh, God, heard my prayer. Let's go. Every last crumb here. Oh, sweet. Hello, bro. Oh, sweet. Oh, little deposit. I need every last drop of this. That creepy little spider went up the water spout, then got incinerated by a bunch of fire. I know it doesn't rhyme, but it kinda fits the song. Spider-Man, Spider-Man, does whatever a spider can. Can he swim? No. Oh, come on. I'll take the gold and the one Titan potion. Those thorns. Iron. Oh, hello there. Let me get this real quick. You better get out of here. Isn't too great. Well, there's some soul right there. I don't want to make another mining episode. It's just happening. $15. Oh, hi there. Depth or DPS. Sweet. After an hour. Better be enough to make one. Singular bar, please. Thank you. After hours of struggling, I finally have adamantite armor. And I know I just said it wrong, but still. Bam. Best armor I can currently find. It reduces mana cost. Okay. Finally. This is like 4 hours in the making of for just a stupid piece of armor. Ugh. Half of it wasn't even recorded. And I hate that. I also love it so I don't have to do a lot of editing. Full set of armor. You got new weapons, better armor, better mobility. If I can just get some good potions going. Strong ones like iron skin and stuff. More defense. Yeah, I think I'll be set. Why is he not here? He's here for a reason. By the way, I don't have to go flying across the cosmos just to get one guy. Get over here, yo. Crafting. Potions. Three water balls, sand, and crystals. Generation swiftness. We're looking for iron skin. Bought all that. Day bloom. And iron, looks like. Magic power increase. A star, droopy thing. That thing. Shining, 9-hour builder. Sure, hunter, archer, thorns, and what exactly is this? The deathweed. RNS. Reduces damage taken. More blink root. Plant wise, I need the fact that it crashed, but we got endurance potions, irons or swiftness potions, inferno potions, iron skin potions, normal health potions, and restoration potions. Got a good amount of potions, and I bought stuff to help build in my arena. So I'm gonna go do real quick and then call it. If I don't get distracted, which is very likely. The moon's pretty cool. I have like 3 of them. Alright. One here. Why are there werewolves? Why are there so many werewolves? Small bridge to the other side of this giant canyon. Dang it. Heck. Reach. Top 4, please. Yo. wall. Place it here. The placement on this thing is so annoying. Please just burn to just a bunch of cinders. Ashes, ashes, burning to the ground. I don't know what song I'm probably singing about. It's just coming out of my head. You thought. Kinda wish I could have 2 firewalls. Be nice. There's about 100 of these suckers. Are you kidding me? Ugh. $50 should do it. Got a little heart balloon, that's cool. Oh, that's cool. Just these wires come to me. Ah, great. You kidding me? Ah. Having fun now to buy more. Why is a harpy down here? There. It's all connected. This should send me over here. That should send me over here. Perfect. What are those twins gonna do now? And then all I gotta do is just place this big old firewall right here. And I'm just gonna fly in between it. At least one of them should die. Woo! Woo! Alrighty, I'm gonna call it because to me, it is 3 o'clock in the morning. And yeah, I just want to do a quick level up episode and preparation for the mechs. So, thank you and goodbye.